Hey there, folks. If you've got a USAA account and need to move some money to another bank, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. It's simpler than you might think, and by the end of this video, you'll be transferring funds like a pro. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to log into your USAA account. Open up the USAA website or app, enter your username and password, and make sure you're using two-factor authentication for extra security. It's always a good idea to protect your money. Once you're logged in, head over to the Transfers or Move Money section. This is usually found in the main menu or dashboard. If you haven't linked your external bank account before, you'll need to do that now. Click on Add External Account, and follow the prompts to enter the bank's routing number and your account number. USAA might require a small test deposit to verify everything, so keep an eye out for that. It typically takes a few days. Now, with your external account linked, select the transfer option. Choose the amount you want to send, pick the accounts involved, like from your USAA checking to your other bank's savings, and set the transfer date if you can schedule it for later. Double-check all the details here because accuracy is key to avoiding any headaches. Hit Confirm or Submit, and you'll get a confirmation screen. USAA will process the transfer, which usually takes 1 to 3 business days, depending on the banks involved. Keep in mind, there might be fees for outgoing transfers, so check USAA's fee schedule beforehand to avoid surprises. And just like that, you're done. Your money should arrive safely in the other account. If you run into any issues, USAA's customer support is pretty helpful. Reach out to them directly. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. See you next time.